All right, my fellow YouTube modders. Today we're going to look at another car I built. So this is the Revell 1970 Pontiac Firebird. This is a very well documented kit here on YouTube. So we're going to make this a quick review. I actually have a review up from a couple years ago. I will link it down below. I did a blue one with the white stripe and the stock wheels. This kit comes with the white stripe and the blue stripe. The original 19... It sounds like an idiot when I say that. Anyways, with the blue stripe, white stripe, the 1970 Pontiac Trans Am only came in two colors, which was blue with the white stripe and white with the blue stripe. So it gives you the blue and the white. And it also gives you a set of custom rims. Since I originally did it in blue with the stock rims, I decided I was going to do it with the custom rims, but I did not do it white. I decided to do something a little different to it, and I think it looks really, really sharp. So after a minute of me here talking, so let me show you what I did. Get that out of the way. Woo! Dun, 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 dun. I did the custom wheels with a Testors yellow. It was actually called Bug Yellow, so I'm presuming this is a Volkswagen Beetle yellow. I thought it looked really cool. Alright, got a couple coats of quick shine floor polish on it, looks real nice. So let's just do a quick overview. Black washed the grill, painted the little lights down there, the Testors transparent orange. The decals are very nice. They got the turn signal markers, and then it's got the Pontiac in the back, which kind of got all goofy. Used the white Trans Am since I was using the white stripe. My rear end here kind of didn't quite fit in properly. But when he did it, it actually lined up on the bottom, but it didn't line up on the top. So that's a little crooked. Like I said, I put the white stripes on the yellow because I thought it looked pretty cool. The interior, I just did 3 shades of brown. That's all acrylic paints, all hand painted. Kind of can't see too much. It comes with a bunch of decals for the interior. I used absolutely none of them. It's hard to focus going in there. Wow, that's hard to focus, because I just hand painted everything. The yellow is having a hard time focusing. The hood here, we can pull this off. It actually goes in there really, really well. The engine here, I just did it. The engine is blue, and I just hand painted everything nice and fancy. Did a red hose there just to kind of break it up a little bit. Man, it's having a hard time focusing. Look at that. Okay, there we go. So, again, mostly acrylic paints. Can't say it's all acrylic paints, but mostly acrylic paints. All the hand painting I did on the inside there. Under bottom, straight up, simple forward. Black bottom. I did the transmission pan there, gold. Man, it's having a hard time focusing. So, nothing spectacular. But I gotta tell you, I've said this before in the last kit I built. This is a really good kit. Take your time on it. It's got a couple tight fitting parts on it. But, hey, you know what? It looks good. If a camera could focus on it, let's hit that there. If the camera could focus on it, it could show you how cool it is. Man, this is just, I love Trans Ams and Firebirds, and this just looks fast, looks mean. This is American muscle at its, probably not its best, but this is American muscle right here. I know the Trans Am's had some issues in this style, but whatever. I think the model came out pretty good. This is a highly recommend model. Paint it whatever color you want. Use the stripes, don't use the stripes. Hey, it's all good. So, I'm just going to keep spinning around slowly for you so you can soak it in. Like I said, highly recommend model. Go ahead, get yourself a couple. They're still available. They're still out there by Revell. And alright. Like I said, there will be a link to the blue one below that I did a couple years ago. It'll be in the description. Go check it out. And that's all I got, man. Alright, everybody. Hey, I always appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate you all watching the video. Even if you aren't a subscriber, I still appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate the thumbs up, thumbs down. I appreciate the comments. So if you want to subscribe and not a subscriber, just remember it is free to subscribe. Alright, everybody. Wherever you at, whatever you're doing. I'll catch y'all later. Stay tuned for some still photos at the end. Alright, catch you later.